Hello guys and welcome back to Code and Create Python in 30 Days series. In previous lecture, we saw a brief introduction of inheritance in Python. Today, we'll see what are the different types of inheritance that we can apply in Python coding. So, here are some of the examples of the inheritance. The first type is single inheritance. In single inheritance, we had one class that inherits from just another one parent. So, you can see here's a class named as parent which has a method show. It shows parent class. And second is a child, which has, of course, the base class as parent. And it has another display function, which shows its name as child class. Now, if we run these commands, we have created object C, child, and we have implemented both the methods on the same object. We can clearly see it's working with both the methods, parent class and child class. These are outputs of these methods, show and display respectively. The second method is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, it's when a class inherits from more than one parent. Like consider these are the parents A and D. So C is a child class which is inheriting properties from both A and D at the same time. They have just declared it as a pass. So here is an object which is following class C. And we can see it's showing outputs for both the classes it belongs to, or it inherits data from. The next class or the next type is multiple inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, it's a layer or level-wise inheritance. Consider examples like grandparent, parent, and a child. So there is a clear levels or layers of inheritance. So let's create an object which follows a class child. And here we are printing specific objects. So methods are applied to this object and you can see this is how it works. Next method is hierarchical inheritance. Multiple child classes inherit from the same parent. So it is a parent which has two childs. These childs will separately work, but they will inherit properties from the same parent. So let's run this method of show on both the childs. You can see both are printing their respective outputs as name of their parent. And in the last type, which is hybrid inheritance, it's just an illustration example in which a class A is a parent, class B is a child of parent A, class C is also parent, class C also has parent A, but D has parents B and C. So it's a combination of multiple inheritance properties. So these are the main properties in inheritance. So these are some of the examples or types of inheritance that we can apply in our Python coding. In case of any doubts, you can comment down and we'll answer them. Till then, we'll meet in the next one with a new topic. Goodbye.